2021 was the worst year on record for drug overdoses in our nation's history. One American died from an overdose about every 5 minutes.
And as WDRB's Dakota Sherrick shares, our Kentuckiana communities are no exception to this nationwide problem. Dakota?
The CDC says more than 107,000 Americans died of a drug overdose last year. Now area recovery groups are hoping to see this tragic trend take a turn for the better.
We've never seen anything like this.
7 Counties Addiction Services VP Marty Purdy believes the situation may be worse than CDC numbers reflect.
We've seen it play out. We've watched overdoses occur throughout the community, including clients walking in off the street and experiencing overdose here in our building.
According to the CDC, Kentucky saw a 13% increase in overdoses from 2020 to 2021. Indiana had a 21% increase. When comparing 2019 to 2021, the increase is significant. The Jefferson County Coroner's Office reporting 379 overdose deaths in 2019, jumping to 604 deaths in 2020 and 617 deaths in 2021.
In Jefferson County, it's been like a 55% increase in overdose deaths.
The pandemic and the isolation it caused is one of the big factors at play.
So much of treatment is based on relationships, support, recovery groups, things like that, that social distancing immediately wiped that out.
Clark County Health Officer Dr. Eric Yazel and Purdy also point to fentanyl as a contributing factor to the increase. The CDC reports a majority of the 2021 overdose deaths involve opioids and synthetic opioids. Purdy adding that many times people aren't aware they're taking the drug, fentanyl getting laced in with other substances.
It has shown up in ways and in volume in ways that we've never seen before.
Advocates throughout Kentuckiana are working to get people re-engaged and connected to resources as the pandemic lessens, and educating the public as a whole to destigmatize the disease.
It's one of those things that to really make a difference, you've got to get the entire community pulling in the same direction.
You've got to be able to talk about this with people and be loving and accepting of this disease. It's a devastating disease, and no one wakes up one day and chooses this life.
Both Yazel and Purdy say increasing access to and education about opioid medications can be the key to preventing overdose deaths. Dakota Sherrick, WDRB News.